So tell me, students, have you do online shopping?
Yes, ma'am.
How can you do the online shopping?
Good morning, ma'am.
Just tell me, how can you do online shopping?
Ma'am, your voice is coming low.
I have some thread problem, so my voice will be low. I will be try to connect with other device also. It's very good.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming properly.
Ma'am, from online stores.
Yes.
Yeah, ma'am, from online store.
And ma'am, some websites.
Ma'am, such as ma'am, Amazon, Flipkart, Blinkit.com, and so on.
Using some websites, some of the applications. For example, you want to buy one book. How can you purchase it? How can you buy it? Can anyone tell me the whole process to buy any book online?
Ma'am, whichever book we want to write, we should add it in the cart in any online store from which we want to buy. After that, we will go for order, where we have to give all our informations like mobile number, address,
yes,
email, and much more. After that, we can confirm our order.
Yeah. Then, after confirmation, then it will be asked you something.
Ma'am, after confirmation, we have to choose which payment method we want to do.
Yes. Anyone can tell me which options are available for the payment method?
What, ma'am?
Ma'am, COD, credit card, debit card, then
Ma'am, net banking,
Google
cash
Pay.
on delivery, and GPay, ma'am, the
net banking,
Beam UPI.
UPI.
Yes. Most of the students are know how can they do online. If you want to purchase any book, any dress, and something else, you have to first book it, you have to order it, then select and go for the payment. So anyone can suggest me the websites or the application that is used for the online shopping?
Amazon,
Ma'am,
Flipkart,
we can go for
Amazon,
Amazon, Myntra,
JioMart,
Amazon, Myntra,
Urban,
Snapdeal,
Next Fashion,
AJIO.
Lifestyle India.
Yes. Means every student knows because it's a trend now. Everyone knows. And sometimes whenever you are going to the social media, it will also available on the social media also for buying and purchasing. So whenever you are buying something, you are getting something, you are ordering something online, that is called the e-commerce. What is the name of particular that whenever you are using a website, whenever you are buying such products on the application, from the application like the Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, Snapdeal, everything will be called the e-commerce. You know what is the meaning of e-commerce, but आपको word पता नहीं था e-commerce का मतलब क्या होता है. आप daily life में उसको use करते हो. E-commerce you are using daily life, but you don't know what is the word used for online shopping. So whenever you are doing online shopping, it means you are doing the e-commerce. So our chapter is totally depend on that you are doing on daily life. It means buying, purchasing, everything. But you have to understand what is the process of buying and purchasing. Whenever you order, where the order will be delivered, who will be get the order, किसको मिलता है, order कौन confirm करता है, कौन product को आपके पास बेचता है through the courier or other technology. So that all things we are going to learn in this chapter, that is internet application and emerging technologies. So first I introduce you the e-commerce that you are doing in the daily life, buying and purchasing. What is the e-commerce? Anyone can tell me what is the full form of email? What is the full form of email? No one. It's an electronic mail. It will be in the class 5. वो class 5 में था chapter.
Electronic mail.
Yes. E-commerce means electronic mail. So sorry, email means electronic mail. Same, e-commerce means electronic commerce. So what is the e-commerce or the electronic commerce? It is for the buying or selling the products and services over the internet. Now, students, tell me, whenever you are purchasing or you are buying some product from the Amazon, so who is buyer?
Ma'am, we are the buyers.
We are the
We
buyer.
are the buyer. Who is sellers?
Ma'am, who
Amazon.
is selling
Amazon
the
is the
thing?
seller.
Amazon is the seller because we are buying from the Amazon. Now tell me, you are going to the shop. Not I'm telling from the internet. Just physically you are going to the shop to purchase a book or your shoes or your clothes. Who is the buyer and who is the seller?
The shopkeeper
Ma'am,
is the seller and we are the buyer.
Shopkeeper is the buyer.
We are the buyer and shopkeeper is the seller. Means you know what is the meaning of buyer and seller. Everyone understood what is the meaning of buyer and seller, right? So I don't have to be explain it. So 3 persons are increased in the e-commerce: buyer, sellers, and producers. For example, from the Amazon, you are buying the chair. Is it only one company of chair?
No, ma'am, there are lots of companies.
Examples?
Ma'am, like Cello and much more companies which are available in the market.
Cello,
Available in the
Nilkamal.
market.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
Green Soul.
Yes. Means you know what is the companies. If you are going to buy a chair, but you want a branded company, the best one company, how can you buy it? आप कैसे buy करोगे? जैसे I want to buy only the chairs. Whenever, how can you buy the chair? Just tell me. No matter of company. How can you buy only chairs?
Ma'am, by typing in the space given and searching for it.
Yes, we are searching for the chairs. Right. I want to buy only the cello chairs. What should I have to write?
We have to write cello chairs in the search box.
Now, tell me, if you are buying the cello chairs, who is buyer and who is seller?
And we are the buyers.
And Cello is the seller.
Which is selling is the seller.
You are a buyer and cello is the seller. But whenever I asked you this same question previously, for the simple chair, who is buyer and who is seller, you told me we are buyer and Amazon is the seller. So how can the seller is changed? Seller कैसे change हो गया? Website same, product same.
Yes.
How the seller is changed?
मैम आज आपकी वॉइस एकदम क्लियर आ रही है पर आप म्यूट ना
म्यूट होना तब भी आ रही है ना देखो. Yes, anyone have an answer? Why you change your answer? First, whenever I ask for simple chair, who is buyer, who is seller? You told me we are buyer and Amazon is seller. Second time, when I asked you for the cello chair, who is buyer, who is seller? You told me we are buyer and cello is seller. So what about Amazon? तो फिर उस टाइम पे Amazon क्या होगा?
मैम बायर.
मैम प्रोड्यूसर
Buyer. Yes, it's a,
Ma'am, the producer
your
is the
word is
seller and the
correct.
seller is Amazon and
Yes,
buyer are us.
yes. जिसने प्रोड्यूस किया है वो प्रोड्यूसर हुआ, जो बेच रहा है वो सेलर हुआ, जो बाय कर रहा है वो बायर हुआ. Word is the correct, but it's a Mayank, very good. You think about that. So what is the e-commerce? It involves three persons: buyer, seller, and the producer. Producer firstly sell its product to the seller. प्रोड्यूसर क्या करेगा? पहले अपनी प्रोडक्ट सेल करेगा किसको? सेलर को. फॉर एग्जांपल, सेलो कंपनी give his sell his product to the seller means Amazon. Then Amazon sell product to the buyer means us. This is the full process how e-commerce works. So what is the e-commerce? It involves the searching, selecting a product from the list, online products, and buying them using the prefable payment mode and encrypted payment processing that you already know. How can you do the process? So three parties involved to exchange the goods: buyer or consumers. You can use the customer word also. Seller or merchant. Producers. रिमेंबर, जब आप एग्जाम्पल याद रखोगे आपको डेफिनेशन क्लियर हो जाएगी. बायर मीन्स वी, सेलर मीन्स Amazon, प्रोड्यूसर मीन्स सेलो कंपनी. Whenever remind this example in your mind, it's very easy to understand this topic. Which parties are involved in the e-commerce? Buyer means we, seller means Amazon, and producer means a seller company or another else company. I'm just giving the example. Now, categories of e-commerce. Simply कैसे e-commerce में goods exchange होते हैं, buy होते हैं, sell होते हैं. Yes.
Ma'am, in this, the producer will give it to the wholesalers and distributors. After that, they will give to the seller. And after
Yes,
that the buyer will
I'm
purchase.
going to told you is that will be in the deep will be came in the categories of e-commerce. First, there are the four types of categories of e-commerce: business to business, B2B, business to customer, customer to customer, and customer to business. Let's see in the book. So it's easy for you. So first, business to business. What is the meaning of business to business word? B2B. Remember the short form. Sometimes in the exam, the full form will be asked to you. Both are the buyer and seller. Two organization, for example, India Mart. जैसे आप भी अपना बिजनेस कर रहे हो, ऑनलाइन वेबसाइट भी है जो बिजनेस को प्रोड्यूस कर रही है, इंट्रोड्यूस कर रही है. इंडिया मार्ट जो वेबसाइट है उसमें ऐसा ही होता है. जैसे कि मैं अपने घर में कुछ वर्क कर रही हूँ, आई एम मेकिंग सम क्रिएटिविटी एंड आई वांट टू बाय इट ऑनलाइन. मैं उसको ऑनलाइन बाय करना चाहती हूँ, सॉरी सेल करना चाहती हूँ. सो फॉर दैट यू हैव टू यूज सच टाइप ऑफ वेबसाइट. दैट इज business to business. I am also businessman. They are also a businessman. So this is called the business to business e-commerce. Now, second, business to customer. That is everyone knows. Whenever seller is there and buyer is also there, that is a business to customer. Simple. Amazon, Flipkart. जब आप example याद रखोगे categories के, it's very easy for you to write down the definition. Business to business, India Mart. Business to customer, Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, everything you will be right. Now, third category, customer to customer. In this model, if you have an older one, for example, you want to sell your scooty online. So that time, what should you do? You are putting your scooty image and features online, and someone of the person who wants to buy it, that is also customer. You are also a customer.
Ma'am, recently we sold something in OLX.
Yeah, it's a very nowadays it's a very easy for selling and buying.
Yes, ma'am.
So that is called customer to customer. Both are the customer. Yes.
I mean, B2B also, it would be Amazon only.
No, in the B2B, that is not Amazon. Both
Yeah,
are the
ma'am,
business.
Amazon business only.
Sometimes whenever both are the business, like a shallow company, the high level companies are there, na, that time it will be included. But nowadays the famous B2B is India Mart. You can search for it. It's a very famous for now. उनसे भी ज्यादा उसमें हाई लेवल कंपनीज पार्टिसिपेट करती है B2B में, जिसका बिजनेस बहुत ज्यादा हो या फिर वो घर पे ही रह के बिजनेस करना चाहते हो, जिसकी ब्रांडेड कंपनी नहीं होती है, they have their own business. That time B2B is work. Okay, in the B2B, India Marts, B2C, Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, C2C, OLX, Quikr, and last, C2B means customer to business. In this, customer posts a project online to the companies bid for this project. It's an online project like a websites, web pages. If you are making it and you want to buy that web page, for example, you are creating some such type of application and you want to buy that application to a particular company. At that time, customer to business will be worked. So there is a one, two examples are given to you. Freelancer and Alliance.com are the examples of C2B. Now, this category, we are learning till the category that we will discuss about the practical exam. Anyone have a query in the e-commerce and categories of e-commerce?
Ma'am, in categories of e-commerce, I am having doubt between business to business and business to customer.
What will be happen in the business to business? For example, you are working woman at your home, you are making something, you are making a candles by your own. आप खुद से candles बना रहे हो, खुद की. You have your own product and you want to buy it to a particular person. I am other businessman of candles. मैं दूसरे businessman हूँ candle की. You want to buy your you want to sell your candles to me. At that time, it is a B2B, means business to business category work. Both are businessmen, then that time the B2B will be work. And what happened will be in the business to customer. One is the businessman and second is the customer. You don't have your product, you want to just purchase the product, you want to buy that product. That's an Amazon पे आप करते हो. You want to buy such type of t-shirt, pen, glasses. That time you are a customer only. आपका खुद की कोई product नहीं है. Just आपको buy करना है. You want to purchase it. So you are a customer. So that time B2C work means a business to customer will be work.
Okay, ma'am.
Doubt?
Ma'am, can you explain C2B?
C2? B.
Customer to business.
Okay. You are a new student?
Yes, ma'am.
Means you don't know about the HTML. Have you heard the word HTML?
Yes, ma'am, heard.
So what is the use of that? Tell me first. Then I will be explain the full thing. What is the use of HTML? Any other students know what is the use of HTML? Why we are using HTML?
Ma'am, hypertext markup language is used to make websites, to create.
Yes, it's used to make a website. Okay, so you told me about, asked me about the customer to business. HTML, simply I'm giving the example. HTML is used for what? To create a website. We have also one example, that is Amazon. Like Amazon, you are creating one more application that is on your name. वो आपके नाम की application आप बना रहे हो. We can create own applications also. We can create a website also. Like that, we can create an application also. That introduction will be come in the class 8. Application किस तरह से बनाने हैं उसकी introduction आने वाला है. Maybe in the term 2. Right. Okay. Whenever you create your own application
Voice.
and
Now it is
you
okay.
want to sell it your application. आपने बनाई एप्लीकेशन लेकिन वो इतनी फेमस नहीं हो रही है. You cannot get the money for that application and you want to sell it to a particular company, particular businessman or particular person who are famous for that, for to spread the application, and you sell the application to a person or the businessman or the company. That time customer to business will be applied. It's only for website and the applications. Whenever you are asking about the customer to business, it is only for the applications and website selling. जब आप वेबसाइट और एप्लीकेशन बेचते हो, जैसे आपको कुछ कोई ऑर्डर दे रहा है कि मुझे इस तरह की वेबसाइट बनानी है, क्या आप मुझे बना सकते हो? You are making it and you are selling it to a person. That time customer to business will be applied. If you are engineer, IT engineer, you are able to create it, websites and applications. Maybe the order will be also there for you to create a website and applications. Understood now what is the C2B?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any other one have doubt? Or we will be discuss about the practical exam?
Ma'am, no doubts.